Hello everyone, myself Dr. Payal. In this video, you are going to learn median as the measure of central tendency. In the previous video, we have already learned mean as the measure of central tendency. We also understood what is grouped and ungrouped data. We also solved some examples to find the mean for this grouped and ungrouped data. In this video, we will follow the same procedure and we will understand first what is median and then we will solve the examples to find this median for grouped and ungrouped data. Now let us start with the very simple example of ungrouped data to understand this median. So this is my ungrouped data 5, 15, 10, 20 and 12 and I want to find out the median of this data. So to find the median of this data, first of all, we need to arrange this data in ascending or descending order. So let us arrange this data in ascending order. 5, 10, 12, 15 and 20. Now, after arranging the data in ascending or descending order, you need to find out the middle position. Now, when my data are in odd numbers, it is very easy to find out the middle position. Here my data are in group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can say that third is my middle position. So my 12 is the median of the data. This is very simple because number of data is odd. Now suppose my data is given in even numbers. Then what to do? How to find out the median? So let us take another example. I am taking same data in addition to 1. This is 5, 10, 12, 15, 20 and 25. This is already in ascending order and we need to find out the median of this data. Now as my data is in even number, directly we cannot locate the middle position. So what to do? Now first of all, we will find the total number of data divided by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We are having 6 data. So 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So locate the third position. Now add 1 to this 3. You will get 4. So trace this fourth position. Now the median of this data will be average of these values which we obtain at third and fourth position, that means 12 plus 15 divided by 2. This is my median of the given data. Here my data is in even number. Here my data was in odd number. So this is how we can find out the median when the data is given in odd or even number. Now let us take another example of group data to find out the median. The data is find the median for the following data. Here data is given in form of table. In this table various values of x with the corresponding values of frequency are given. Now procedure to find out median here will be different than the procedure which we had followed in case of ungrouped data. So let us check the procedure. We will redraw this table. In this table, the first and second column will keep as it is, as given in data. The various values of x are 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. And corresponding frequencies are 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2. Now third column we will add to this table and that is cumulative frequency. So how to find out cumulative frequency? So first frequency will keep as it is as no other data is given previously. Now to find the cumulative frequency of second row, we have to add the previous cumulative frequency with the recent frequency, that is 4. So 3 plus 4 is 7. Now to find out frequency of third row, what we will do, we will add this previous cumulative frequency, that is 7, with the recent frequency, that is 5. So 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. So this 20 represents the total data, total number of data. The same number you will get if you will add all these f's. Now, we will represent this 20 as n, total number of data, that is 20. Now, to find out median, what we will do, we will divide this n by 2. So, n by 2 will get 10. So, you have to now check in third column where this frequency can be found. That number is found. Third column represents the cumulative frequency. Here we are getting 10. So let us check in which number 10 is considered or incorporated. So 10 number can be incorporated in this third value of cumulative frequency. Because 3 is less than 10, 7 is less than 10. So we can say that 10 is included in this number, and that is 12. So the median, now the median will be the data corresponding to this cumulative frequency, and that is 15. So my median is 15. So this way you can find the median of the group data given in this form. Let us take one another example of group data to find out median. The data is, find the median for the following data. Here data is given in form of table, and check the first column. Instead of number, the ranges are given. In such examples, we have to use this equation of median. The terms which are included in this equation, I will explain you later on. First of all, let me add third column to this table, and that is of cumulative frequency. This procedure is similar to the previous example. First frequency we will keep as it is, then 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 6, 46, 46 plus 6, 52, 52 plus 8, 60. So the total number of data, so last cumulative frequency will represent the total number of data. If you will add the second column of frequency, you will get same number, 60. So in this example where n is used, we will use 60. So here n is equal to 60. That means total number of data. Now what is next step? Now we will find n by 2. We will get 30. Now check your third column of cumulative frequency and check where this 30 can be incorporated. In first two cumulative frequency, 30 cannot be incorporated because values are less than 30. The 30 can be incorporated in third row of the table, that is 40. So our third row will be of our interest. Now next, we will find out the interval which is corresponding to this selected cumulative frequency. Now the interval which corresponds to this cumulative frequency 40 is 31 to 40. 31 to 40 is the interval of our interest. Now how this will be useful in this equation? So in this equation, L, capital L, represents the lower limit of the interval, that is 31. In this equation, h, small h, is the range of this interval. That means we can find it by subtracting this 31 from the 40, that is 9. So small h is 9, the range of this interval. Now frequency of the selected cumulative frequency, and that is 20. Our selected cumulative frequency is 40, and the cumulative frequency which is preceding this selected cumulative frequency is 20. So here capital F will be 20. Now small f. Here my small f represents the frequency corresponding to the selected cumulative frequency. Here our frequency 20 belongs to the selected frequency 40, cumulative frequency 40. So small f will be also 20. So now substitute all these values in this equation. So our capital L is 31 plus H is 9 into bracket n by 2 is 30 minus capital F is 20 divided by small f is 20. If we will solve this equation, you will find the value 35.5. So this is the median of the given group data. So in this video, we have learned how to find out median for grouped and ungrouped data. Thank you very much.